All right, taking a look here at number 40, very similar to number 39, we are to find the missing length of the right triangle. Simplify the answer if necessary. So we've been given a right triangle, and we are asked to find the missing side, in this case, B. And we know that when we're trying to find the missing side of a right triangle, we're going to use Pythagorean's theorem, which says a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And C is always the longest side. It's your hypotenuse. It's the side directly opposite the right angle. And so in this case, C is going to be our 20. So let me go ahead and we'll go ahead and label each of these. B, C. So C is going to be 20. B, well, that's what we're trying to find, right? We don't know what that is. And A must be the only side left, 12. All right, so let's go ahead and take this information and plug it into our formula and see what we get. So a squared, in this case, will be 12 squared plus b squared. Well, we don't know what b is, so we're going to go ahead and leave that as b squared, equals c squared. Well, what's c? C is 20. All right, let's go ahead and evaluate, see what happens here. Well, 12 squared is 144 plus b squared equals, and here c squared, or now 20 squared, gives us 400. We want to solve for b squared, so let's go ahead and subtract 144 from both sides. And that'll leave us now with b squared equals 256. But we don't just want b squared, right? We want a single b. So let's go ahead and take the square root of both sides. And again, when you take your own or make your own square root, you're going to create a plus and minus. So here on the left, we're left with just b, and now equals plus and minus the square root of 256. Well, what is the square root of 256? Well, it's 16. So now we have b equals plus and minus 16. So this is really two answers, right? b equals positive 16 and b equals negative 16. So which one do we choose? Well, we're measuring the length or distance of one of the sides of a triangle. And as I said in the previous question, distance can never ever be negative. And so let's go ahead and eliminate the negative answer, which leaves us with just positive 16. So B, our missing side, is 16, and whatever units these are in, feet, inches, meters, it doesn't say. So B equals 16 is perfectly fine.